Right, so this is something a bit different, isn't it? I've got this gaming laptop to bits. Look at this, look, right? And apparently, that's basically, I got a matey to install some SSD, an SSD on this. Basically, it was a hybrid HDD SSD for the people that know, and it was just a nightmare, and it was just dead slow, and it wasn't working properly. I've gone and bought some DDR3 RAM, hoping it's the right RAM. So we're going to have a look now, because matey did say there is a spare slot there for the RAM. So we're going to attempt this and see how it goes, and hopefully it's just as simple as plugging it in. Yeah, I hope it's the right fit, you know what I mean? I just literally bought it and I didn't realise it could be non-compatible. It is DDR3, so fingers crossed. Let's have a nosy. So let's see if it's as simple as a straight swap. I doubt it. I've got nitrile gloves on, like mechanical type gloves, but people are like, Ben mate, shouldn't be doing that, you know what I mean? Electronics and all that, it'll end up blowing. Right, so it looks to me like the pin is that way, so it'd be facing upwards. Obviously there's no way of it going like that, so I'm gonna have a look here. Oh, there you go. So is it as easy as that then? Oh, pop them clips over. Look at that, we're learning, always winning. Look at that, as easy as that. Let's get this booted up and have a nosy. There you go, top end computers now, boys. Right, so we're just installing Specky just to see if this is plumbed in all right. If it's as simple as just putting it in and it works, banging, computers are mint. Right, so it's just analysing it all now. I've got Specky all downloaded, so there we go. There we go, DDR3, dual channel, 16 gigs, that's banging. So that was the original 8 gig. And the 8 gig stick I've just put in, so that's fantastic. So that should hopefully speed things up a bit. There we go, top end computers with top end Ben.